Hey everyone, is your vehicle struggling with cruise control issues? Do you feel sudden acceleration changes or notice your cruise control not responding? If your scan tool has pulled code P0859, cruise control input signal high, it means the powertrain control module, PCM, is detecting an excessively high voltage from the cruise control switch. This can lead to unexpected cruise control failure, poor throttle response, or even transmission shifting problems. But don't worry. In this video, I'll explain what P0859 means, the symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where the key sensors are located so you can fix it fast. Let's get started. What is P0859? The P0859 trouble code appears when the PCM detects a high voltage input from the cruise control switch. Cruise control is designed to maintain a set speed, but when the PCM receives incorrect signals, it can disable the system, cause acceleration issues, or even affect transmission shifting. Common symptoms of P0859, cruise control, not engaging or staying on, check engine light or cruise control, warning light, unresponsive or erratic acceleration, transmission shifting issues, vehicle may enter limp mode. Now let's talk about the sensor location so you can diagnose and fix this issue properly. To diagnose P0859, you need to check these key components. Cruise control switch. Location, mounted on the steering wheel or steering column. Function, sends signals to the PCM to activate or deactivate cruise control. Brake pedal position sensor. Location, near the brake pedal assembly. Function, detects when the brake is applied and disengages cruise control. Clutch pedal position sensor for manual transmission only. Location, near the clutch pedal assembly. Function, detects clutch engagement and disables cruise control. Throttle position sensor. Location, on the throttle body and engine bay. Function, measures throttle position and adjusts cruise control speed. Powertrain control module. Location, near the engine bay or firewall inside a protective casing. Function, processes input from the cruise control system and manages throttle response. Wiring and connectors. Location, between the cruise control switch, PCM and throttle body. Function, transfers electrical signals to activate or deactivate cruise control. Common causes of P0859. Faulty cruise control switch. A stuck or damaged switch may send continuous high voltage signals. Shorted or damaged wiring. Exposed or corroded wiring in the cruise control system can cause high voltage readings. Defective brake or clutch pedal position sensor. A malfunctioning sensor may falsely disengage cruise control. Faulty throttle position sensor. Incorrect throttle readings can disrupt cruise control function. How to fix P0859. Step 1. Inspect the cruise control switch. Press all buttons to check for sticking or unresponsiveness. Step 2. Check wiring and connectors. Look for frayed, corroded, or shorted wires between the switch and PCM. Step 3. Test the brake and clutch pedal position sensors. Use a scan tool to check if they are functioning properly. Step 4. Inspect the throttle position sensor. Ensure it's sending correct throttle data to the PCM. Step 5. Check PCM for faults. Reset the system and see if the issue persists. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, reset the system and drive to confirm the fix. The P0859 trouble code means high cruise control input signals, which can cause cruise control to malfunction or fail. By checking the cruise control switch, wiring and throttle components, you can fix this issue before it affects vehicle performance. Watch these related videos next. P0584, cruise control vent control circuit open. P0585, cruise control vent control circuit high. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.